Hello people, my name is Rahul and in this video we will see how to embed Google Forms to your WordPress website. This will be a simple and short video, so let's start. Okay, so firstly we will go to Google Forms and create one form. Okay, I am on my Google Forms dashboard now. I will be using the default template, which is contact information, so that we will not be wasting time on creating forms. Okay, so I have just opened this form and you can see how it looks. Okay, so this is a long form, but that's okay. So what you need to do here is just click on this send button here. Once you have clicked on it, then click on this last option here, okay, which says embed. Now you just need to copy this code from here, then simply come to your WordPress website. You can create one new page. Okay, so here I will enter the title of the page, and now you need to select a HTML module from here. So I will click on plus and then you have to search for HTML. Okay, just click on this custom HTML block here and now you can write HTML here. So what you need to do, the code which we have copied from here, you have to paste in this block. Okay, I will just paste it and now you can see we have added the code here, and as you able to see, we are only able to see the code. Okay, so what we will do, we will just go and publish this page. Okay, so now we will view this page in new tab and let's see if the form is displaying on this page or not. Okay, so page is open now. When I scroll down, you can see we have this page here. Okay, so now the one thing you may see that this form has a scroll bar. Okay, every time user need to submit the form, they need to scroll and then they can submit it from here. Okay, so what if we want whole form in one view? We don't need this scroll bar. So how to fix this? Let's see. You need to again go to your WordPress page editor and simply here you will need to update the height of your form. So remember to add the height inside this two double quotes. I will add it maybe 1200 and I will update this page. Okay, so as you can see the page is updated now. Now let's just go back to the front end and refresh this page. Okay, so now you can see there is no scroll bar on your Google form. So this is how you can easily embed the Google Forms to your WordPress website. So that's it from the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments, and if you are new here, then hit that subscribe button and make it gray. Thank you for watching video.